Service in Charleston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for portions of Bryan County in southeastern Georgia, Bullock County in southeastern Georgia, Chatham County in southeastern Georgia, Effingham County in southeastern Georgia, Evans County in southeastern Georgia, Liberty County in southeastern Georgia, Long County in southeastern Georgia, McIntosh County in southeastern Georgia, Screven County in southeastern Georgia, Tattnall County in southeastern Georgia, Beaufort County in southeastern South Carolina, Hampton County in southeastern South Carolina, Jasper County in southeastern South Carolina, until 7:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 6:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line from near Gum Branch to near Springfield to Meldrum to near Jessup, moving east at 75 miles an hour. These are destructive storms for Pembroke, Springfield, Rankin and Bloomingdale. Hazard, 90 miles an hour wind gusts and golf ball size hail. Source, law enforcement. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations impacted include Hammer, Brisbane, Union Junction, Armstrong Atlantic State University, Hubert, Olney, Elm, Tibet, Edgemere, Bellinger Hill area, Pembroke, Silk Hope, Pure Iceberg, Panera, Fleming, Burroughs, Retreat, Cosby, Gum Branch and Georgetown. Anyone outdoors should move to shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. These storms are capable of producing widespread damaging winds and large hail. Increased rotation has been detected and a tornado warning may be needed. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, take shelter in a closet, bathroom or small, central room in a sturdy structure.